Vast apple orchards are the starting point of industrial apple juice production. Thousands of tons of apples begin their journey here.
We source only the freshest apples from local farms, ensuring every bottle meets our high-quality standards.
After harvesting, apples are collected in large crates to prevent damage. Fruit quality must be preserved before processing.
The harvested apples are transported out of the orchard. The next stage takes place at the processing facility.
Keep it steady now, just a little further. Okay, lowering the load. Watch your hands.
Each truck carries several tons of apples. These apples will soon enter the industrial processing line.
The apples are transported to large juice processing plants. This is where industrial production begins.
Modern juice factories are designed to process fruit at massive scale. Efficiency and hygiene are critical here.
Once the apples arrive, unloading begins immediately. The processing line must run continuously.
Forklifts move the apples into the receiving area. From here, apples will enter the processing system.
Here is a bruised one.
Okay, put that in the reject pile. We need 50 more crates by noon.
The apples are weighed before processing. This helps monitor production volume and efficiency. The apples are transferred into large hoppers. From here, the automated process begins.
Conveyor systems move apples through each stage of production. Automation ensures continuous flow.
The first major step is cleaning the fruit. But before juice can be made, the apples must be thoroughly washed.
Industrial washing systems remove dirt, dust, and residues from the fruit. Clean fruit is essential for safe juice production.
The apples now enter the washing process. This is only the beginning of the transformation from fresh fruit to bottled juice.
The apples enter a rotating washing drum. Here, dirt and field debris are removed with circulating water.
Continuous water flow carries away leaves, dust, and soil. This step prepares the fruit for sorting. After washing, excess water is removed. The apples now move towards sorting. Optical sorting machines inspect each apple. Sensors detect color, size, and surface defects.
Air jets remove damaged apples from the line. Only suitable fruit continues in the process. After sorting, the apples move to the preparation stage. The fruit must be reduced in size before juice extraction.
The apples are fed into industrial grinders. This machine prepares the fruit for pressing. The grinder turns whole apples into pulp. This pulp contains juice, fiber, and skin.
The apple pulp is collected in large tanks. From here, juice extraction will begin.
Auger systems move the pulp through enclosed pipes. This keeps the process clean and continuous.
The pulp is transferred into industrial presses. This is where juice separation begins. Pressure forces juice out of the pulp. Solid material is separated during this step.
Fresh juice flows through sealed pipes. The liquid now moves to the next stage of processing.
Check the flow rate on line 3. Flow rate is stable, optimizing the press pressure now.
The extracted juice is collected in large tanks. But it is still cloudy and unrefined. The next step is filtration and refinement. This is where the juice begins to change in clarity and texture.
The cloudy juice now enters the main processing stage. Filtration begins to separate fine particles from the liquid.
The juice still contains very fine pulp particles. These must be removed for a smoother texture. Industrial filters trap microscopic solids. The liquid becomes clearer during this process. After filtration, the juice moves into clarification tanks. Here, remaining particles begin to settle.
Time and controlled conditions allow fine particles to separate naturally. The juice becomes more transparent. The juice moves through several tanks in sequence. Each stage improves clarity and consistency. The juice is now heated in a controlled system. This prepares it for pasteurization.
Temperature must be carefully controlled. Too much heat can affect flavor.
Pasteurization heats the juice briefly. This eliminates harmful microorganisms. The process uses heat and precise timing. Safety and shelf life depend on this step.
After heating, the juice is cooled quickly. Rapid cooling preserves flavor and color.
The processed juice is stored in sterile tanks. From here, it will move to refinement and blending. Gentle mixing keeps the juice consistent. Uniformity is important for large-scale production.
Every stage is monitored from a central control room. Automation ensures precision and stability. The juice now moves to the refinement stage. There, final adjustments will be made. The next stage focuses on precision and balance. This is where the juice is refined before bottling.
The juice now enters the refinement stage. Here, flavor, color, and consistency are carefully controlled.
Blending tanks combine juice from different batches. This keeps flavor consistent across production.
The juice passes through fine filters again. This final filtration improves clarity and texture.
At this stage, the juice becomes clear and uniform. The texture is now smooth and refined.
Air is removed from the juice. This prevents oxidation and preserves flavor.
Removing air improves shelf life. It also keeps the color stable. After deaeration, the juice moves to final balance tanks. Final adjustments are made here.
Sensors continuously monitor the juice. Consistency must be maintained at all times. Once approved, the juice is released for packaging. The process now moves toward the final stage.
The bottling hall is the final major step. Here, the liquid becomes a finished product.
Empty bottles arrive on the line. The final transformation is about to begin. The process now enters the bottling stage. Every container must be perfectly clean before filling.
Bottles are washed using sterile water. This removes dust and microscopic particles.
High-pressure jets clean the inside of each bottle. Hygiene is critical at this stage.
The bottles now move to the filling machine. Precision filling ensures equal volume in every bottle. The machine fills each bottle with measured amounts of juice. Automation keeps the process fast and accurate. Rotating filling systems allow thousands of bottles to be filled every hour. This keeps production efficient.
Rotating filling systems allow thousands of bottles to be filled every hour. This keeps production efficient.
Each cap is tightened with controlled pressure. This prevents leaks during transport.
A sealing system secures the bottle. This ensures product safety.
Automated inspection systems check every bottle. Defective bottles are removed automatically.
Any bottle that fails inspection is removed. Only approved products continue.
Manual inspection is also performed. Human checks add another level of quality control. Each bottle is marked with production information. This allows full traceability.
The outside of the bottles is cleaned. The product must look clean and presentable. The outside of the bottles is cleaned. The product must look clean and presentable.
The bottles are now ready for packaging. The final stage is approaching.
The final step is packaging and distribution. This is where the journey ends.
The finished bottles now enter the packaging hall. This is the final stage of the factory process. The finished bottles now enter the packaging hall. This is the final stage of the factory process.
Robotic arms place bottles into cartons. Automation increases speed and reduces handling damage.
Robotic arms place bottles into cartons. Automation increases speed and reduces handling damage.
The cartons are stacked onto pallets. This allows easy storage and transportation.
Palletizing robots arrange cartons in stable stacks. This prevents movement during shipping. Shrink wrapping secures the cartons together. This protects the load during transport. Heat shrinks the plastic wrap around the pallet. The load becomes stable and protected. Large warehouses store the finished product. From here, distribution begins. The pallets are loaded onto transport trucks. The juice is ready to leave the factory. The cargo is secured inside the truck. Safe transport is essential to prevent damage.
The trucks leave the factory for distribution centers. The product begins its journey to stores. Distribution networks deliver the product across long distances. This connects the factory to the market. At distribution centers, the pallets are sorted again. Orders are prepared for retail delivery.
The finished product reaches store shelves. The process that began with fresh apples is now complete. From orchard to bottle, the journey is complete. Industrial precision transforms fresh apples into a ready-to-drink product.